Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Ning. Did I persuade you to cook stir-fry cabbage with chicken with my previous video? If I didn't yet, today we're going to do another stir-fry with chicken and cabbage. This is a classic and popular Moo Shu chicken. And also, I'm going to show you how to serve with Moo Shu rolls, just like the ones you get from restaurant. Let's get started. Here's another big cabbage, bigger than last time. And this time I'm going to just use about 1/3 about. And this time we're going to cut into strips like this. That's our cabbage. And I'm going to use 1 carrot. This time we're cutting into strips. First slices. Now we stack them like that. Cut into strips. It's very important if you realize in Chinese cooking, the ingredients should have similar shape, right? Here's our carrot. I have 4 bella mushrooms. Normally this dish uses wood ear mushrooms, but I know some of my viewers, you don't have access to it or you may not like it. So you can use button mushroom, shiitake mushroom. We're going to cut into strips. Same thing like that. So I'm going to continue cutting. I think that's enough mushroom. So we use 3. I also have 2 green onions for garnishing. Just cut them thinly like this. On an angle. We're going to use 2 eggs. As normal, just add a little bit salt and white pepper powder. For the stir-fry sauce, we're going to use light soy sauce, about tablespoon measuring for you guys. And 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. And ShaoXing cooking wine, or you can add chicken stock. So mix this well. I have a small piece of chicken breast. It's about 5 ounces. Since we are adding more vegetables and also eggs, right? We first cut into thin slices. Now we cut into strips. Like that. To season the chicken, as usual, we add a little bit of salt, white pepper powder, need some color, dark soy sauce if you have it. A little bit of water, so the chicken not so dry, right? And mix well. Does anybody know what the Moo Shu means? If you don't, and you can check out my Moo Shu Pork, another recipe. Just search Moo Shu Pork Chinese healthy cook, and we are ready to cook. I'm heating up 1 tablespoon oil, avocado oil. You can use any vegetable oil. First, we're going to cook the eggs. The cooked eggs about 80% done, so it's not so wet. Then we take it out. Now we add more oil. We're gonna cook our chicken. Some ginger, chopped ginger, garlic. After about 2 minutes, chicken has changed color. Let's take it out. Now add a little bit more oil, followed by chopped garlic. And we're gonna cook our vegetables. Mushroom, carrots. Followed by our cabbage. That should be enough. Stir it. Add a little bit of salt. And cook about a few minutes till the vegetables are tender. After a few minutes, our vegetables are tender. Let's add eggs and chicken back. Break the egg a little bit. Now add our sauce. Wow, looks good. Let me just taste quickly. Good. Just a little bit salt. And drizzle some sesame oil. And our Moo Shu chicken is ready. Wow, looking good. Gotta save space for the Moo Shu rolls. We're gonna heat up a few Moo Shu rolls or wrappers like this. One. Four of them. And just cover with the damp paper towel like this. And we're going to microwave for 30 seconds. Here's our rolls. So you can just fold them like this and this way. And I'm going to wrap one to show you guys. Right? We're going to serve with the hoisin sauce. There's a hoisin sauce. Come on. It's very dark and sweet and savory sauce. Used a lot in Cantonese cuisine. So we just scrape like this. And now add our Moo Shu chicken. Looks good. Right. And where's my garnish? I can garnish with some green onions. Right?
Wow, looks great.
Good. Should I wrap it? Or you are going to take a picture?
Yes.
Anyway, so to wrap it like this, it's kind of like a Chinese taco, right? There you go.
Wow, beautiful.
Moo Shu chicken. Cheers.
Cheers.
Taco night. No.
Taco night.
Moo Shu Chicken night.
Wow. That's delicious.
Very savory, right? Isn't it?
Wow. The hoisin sauce. Great.
Please, please try to make it. By now, you should have found out why it's called the Moo Shu Chicken. Anyway, I will leave my Moo Shu Pork recipe in the description box below. Please try to make it. As I said, try to eat more cabbage. It's so good for us, and the ingredients so simple. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.